Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have PANASONIC TX-50LXW704 TV and I'm going to show you how can you easily manage your captions, style them and whatever. At first you have to go up where you will see mic icon, keyboard icon, input icon and settings icon. You have to of course go to settings. Here you will have to go straight into your device preferences and scroll all the way down so that you can see accessibility. You have to click on this and click on captions. Here you can change your language of your captions, enable or disable them of course here, change text size from normal to small or to very large. And apart from that, you can change caption style from white on black to black on white to yellow on black to yellow on blue, or custom widget where you can change font family, text color, text opacity, edge type, edge color, or show background. And here you can change background color, background opacity, and here you can enable show window, or you can change even window color. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.